Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G42 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to find the Google folder, click on it and access Calendar app. Now click on the month above and pick a date. After that, you can click over here to create your event or select this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choose event from here. Now adjust it however you want to. Over here, for example, you can add a title, pick starting hour or ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can always disable this feature as well by choosing this switcher next to all day. Now click on Does Not Repeat. Over here you can click on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every week. If you don't, just set up Does Not Repeat. Now you can also add people from your contact book, videos, and even choose add location, click on while using the app or only this time, and type in an address of your event. Then click on the correct result. Now you need to tap on Add Notifications and set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event. Then change color of it if you wish to. I will go with banana. Take notes and add attachments. When you're ready, you can save your event by choosing this save icon at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you want to make some changes, you can always click on it and tap on this pen icon at the top right corner to edit it. Now make your changes. And from here you can discard them by choosing this X icon at the top left corner and choosing discard. But you can also choose save at the top right corner to save it. In order to get rid of your event though, click on it again, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner, click on delete at the top and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!